last a lifetime. A network of hiking trails wind near the resort. Go for a leisurely stroll and immerse yourself in the tranquil surroundings. Keep your eyes peeled for monkeys, sloths, and toucans, as the forest is teeming with life. You might even spot a brightly colored frog or butterfly, adding a splash of color to your adventure. But it's also perfect for families, providing a safe and exciting environment for all ages. Kids will love the butterfly and frog farms, where they can see these creatures up close. And don't forget the 2 sparkling pools, perfect for relaxation and fun. The Summit Rainforest and Golf Resort is home to a world-class 18-hole championship golf course. Imagine teeing off amidst towering trees and lush fairways. The views are simply breathtaking. After a day of exploring the rainforest, whether you're hiking through the lush trails or discovering hidden waterfalls or golfing on the world-class course, retreat to your luxurious room or suite. Each one is designed with comfort and style in mind, featuring modern amenities and elegant decor. This world-renowned birding destination sees over 1,000 species of birds each year, making it a paradise for bird watchers. Or take a day trip to the Panama Canal, one of the world's greatest engineering marvels. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable experience. If you're interested in learning how to stay here for a price much lower than the retail price, let me know. My website is listed in the description. Hope you liked my video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. I can also show you how to make money in the travel industry. Reach out if you want more information. Thanks for sticking around for the whole video. Hope to hear from you.